Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute strawberry. So grab your paper, black marker and your favorite colors and let's get started. First, draw a short curved stalk at the top. This is the stem that holds the strawberry to the plant. Now, let's draw the green leaves around the stem. They protect the strawberry while it's growing. Next, draw the strawberry's body. We select a point at the bottom to make sure how tall our strawberry's body should be and then make it nice and round at the top and then gently bring it down to a point at the bottom, just like a real strawberry. Finally, let's add a lot of tiny oval seeds all over the strawberry. And now it's time to color. Color the strawberry bright red, the leaves green and the seeds yellow. Watch your strawberry come to life. Awesome job! Your cute strawberry is ready. Give yourself a big clap. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, subscribe and come back for more cute drawings. See you next time. Bye bye.